So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. So let us describe translations in the Cartesian plane using coordinates. Transformations, shapes in motion, patterns in the world. In transformation, we have translation, reflection, and rotation. And we will also see what is dilation. Transformation. Transformation, a change in any form or appearance. Second definition of the transformation, it is the operation of changing, as by rotation or mapping, one configuration or expression into another in accordance with a mathematical rule, especially a change of variables or coordinates in which a function of new variables or coordinates is substitute for each original variable or coordinate. And then the third one maps an initial image called a pre-image or pre-image into a final image called an image. What is translation? Translation, it is a change that moves all points of a figure or image the same distance in the same direction. One of the example of the translation is a train on a track. We have the same distance in the same direction. Same with a luggage on a conveyor belt. So makikita natin yan kapag pupunta tayo or mamamasyal tayo sa ibang lugar sa airport. So, kung meron tayong luggage, makikita natin yung same distance in the same direction. Another example is repeating tile patterns ko. So, kung may tiles tayo sa bahay, tingnan natin. And those tiles na ay meron iba't ibang pattern. Pwedeng ang pattern ay lines, pwedeng katulad nito, parang ang pattern niya ay flowers. So, a translation that is the shape slide in a straight line without turning. Translation, move figures without changing shape. So as you can see in the given figure, so we have the triangle, the red triangle, this is the original triangle, moves figure or slide figure without changing the shape. So paano natin madaling matatandaan yung translation? Translation that is sliding a figure. A translations move every point the same distance in a given direction. The rule for the translation x and y. So our x, we need to add plus a, and then our y plus b. Where a, that is the horizontal change, while b, that is the vertical change. Translate the point a, that is 2 and 3, by 4 and negative 2. So our given point, that is 2 and then 3. To translate, that is 2 plus 4, while our y, that is 3 minus 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. So the translating point for 2 comma 3, that is 6, positive 1. So para ma-visualize natin yung figure, we have the given point, that is 2 comma 3. So to translate, that is 4 comma negative 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 moves to the right, and then below that is 2. So 1 and then 2. So the translating point, that is 6 comma 1. In the given example, triangle with vertices 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is moved left that is 2, and up by 5. Move left, that is negative 2, and move up, that is positive 5. So negative 2 and then positive 5. So the given vertices, that is 1, comma 1. So 1 minus 2, that is subtract, that is negative 1. 1 plus 5 add, so that is 6. So negative 1 and then 6. Second vertices, that is 2, positive 3. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. 3 plus 5, that is 8. So positive 0 and then 8. Next, the given is 4, comma 1. 4 minus 2, that is positive 2. 1 plus 5, that is 6. So positive 2 and then 6. So the translate for the given vertices for 1, comma 1, 2, comma 3, 4, positive 1, that is negative 1, positive 6, 0, positive 8, and then 2, positive 6. So we have the vertices in the given triangle 1, comma 1, 2, 3, and then 4, comma 1, and then the answer is negative 1, 6, 0, 8, and then 2, 6. Kung tititigan natin yung figure, the original triangle, that is 1, comma 1, the vertices, that is 2, 3, 4, comma 1. So paano natin malalaman yung sagot gamit yung figure? Sabi move left. So 1, 2, and then up by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the translated triangle, that is negative 1, comma 6. How about 2, comma 3? That is the vertices of the triangle. So move left 1, 2, and then up by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The translated triangle for 2, 3, that is 0, positive 8. How about positive 4 and 1? Move left 1, 2, and then move up by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, comma 6. So the translated triangle of these vertices is negative 1, comma 6, 0, comma 8, and then 2, positive 6. In the given triangle, we have negative 5, positive 2, negative 3, positive 2, 0, 0. Move 3 units to the right and 5 units down. For letter C, move 3 units to the right and 5 units down. So the answer is negative 2, negative 3. How about letter A? Negative 3, positive 4. 3 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 units down. So that becomes 0, negative 1. 0, 0 as the vertices. So 3 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, and then 5 units down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the translating, that is negative 2, negative 3, 0, negative 1, 3, negative 5. If we use the formula, negative 5 plus 3, that is negative 2. 2 minus 5, that is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 3, 0. 4 minus 5, that is negative 1. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 minus 5, that is negative 5. In the given quadrilaterals, we have the value that is 3, comma 3, 4, comma 0, 2, that is negative 4, and then 0, positive 1. Is 4 units left and 1 unit down. So we start with x, 3, positive 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units to the left and 1 units down. So that is negative 1, positive 2. How about y? 4, comma 0. So 4 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 unit down. So that is 0, negative 1. W, so this is W, 0, positive 1. So 1 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 unit down. So that is negative 4, comma 0. How about Z? That is positive 2 and then negative 4. 4 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 unit down. So Z is equals to negative 2 and then negative 5. So it means the translating in these vertices, we have negative 1, positive 2, while Y 0, negative 1, Z negative 2, negative 5, and then W is negative 4 and 0. If we try to use the given 3 minus 4 to the left, 3 minus 4, negative 1, 3 plus 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 1, negative 1. 2 minus 4, negative 2. Negative 4 minus 1, negative 5. 0 minus 4, that is negative 4. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Write a rule to describe the transformation. The translation rule xy that becomes x plus a, comma y plus b. In the given figure, we have the quadrilaterals 3, negative 1, second vertices 2, negative 1, third vertices 6, negative 6, and then the last one, negative 4, negative 4. So, paano natin makukuha yung translating image? So, move to the right 1, and then 1, 2, up. So it means the translation that is 1 unit to the right and then 2 units up. So again, we try 2, negative 1. So that becomes 1 unit to the right and then 1, 2. That becomes 3, positive 1. How about next one? 6, negative 6. 1 unit to the right and then 2 units up. Negative 4, negative 4. 1 units to the right and then 2 units up. So that becomes negative 3, negative 2. So it means what could be the rule to describe this transformation? The rule that becomes x plus 1, we add or we put on the right and then 2 units up. X plus 1 and then y plus 2. So the translation is 1, comma 2. How about the next figure? We have 0, positive 4, b 0, 0, and then 4, positive 0. So what could be the translation? So move 3 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1 unit down. So the translation, move 3 units to the left and then 1 unit down. So it means our formula that is x minus 3 and then y minus 1. So that becomes negative 3 and then negative 1. If we try again for 0, 0 for b, 1, 2, 3, 3 units to the left, 1 unit down. How about the c? So if we try for letter c, 1, 2, 3, move 3 units to the left and then 1 unit down. How about the next example? We have A that is 0, 4, B 0, 0, and then C 4, 0. So what could be the translation? So 1, 2, 3, move 3 units to the right and then 1 unit up. So the translation that is 3 units to the right and then 1 unit up. If we try again for letter B, so 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 3, positive 1. How about letter C? 4, comma 0. So 1, 2, 3 to the right and then 1 unit up. So it means the rule x plus 3, that is right. So plus 1 unit up plus 1. So 3 and then positive 1. So we have the figure for the quadrilaterals 1, comma 4, 5, comma 4, 5, comma 2, 1, comma 2. So what could be the translation? 1, 2. So 2 units to the left. And then after 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, that is 3 units down. So if we try to another value for letter D, sample 5, comma 2, so 2 units to the left, 1, 2, and then 3 units down. So 1, 2, 3. It means the rule is x minus 2 because that is left, 3 units down minus 3, so negative 2 and negative 3. How about in the given quadrilaterals, we have 1, comma 4, 5, comma 4, 5, comma 2, 1, comma 2. What could be the translation? So 1, 2, 2 units to the right. So 2 units to the right. And then after right, 1, 2, 3, that is 3 units up. So 2 units to the right and then 3 units up. So it means x plus to the right. So x plus 2 and then y plus 3. So 2 and then comma 3. Instruction. Translate the following figure 4 units to the right, 2 units down. Then write the coordinates of the pre-image to the new figure. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.